Okay, so today we're going to replace this mirror, and we're going to start by taking off the door panel because there's a power switch that comes in from the mirror for the power mirrors, and we're going to pop off this here and that one there, and then we're going to unscrew those, and then also the one here behind the door latch. I'm just going to gently pop that up and expose the screws, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so pop those out, and there are Torx screws inside. This one, and then don't forget the one in the door, right behind the door handle, right there. All the same Torx screws. So just going to take those out. Okay, I'm going to attempt something because everything is in the front of the door that I need to get to. So I'm just going to try to pop this and then pop this side off, and then just kind of sneak my hands in there so I don't have to take everything apart, because there's a lot of wires behind this door that I'd have to take apart. So I am going to try an easier way and see if this works. So I'm going to start up here. I've got just a little plastic tool, and I'm slowly and gently going to pry this panel away from the metal door. Okay, so I did get the door panel off here, and this is the wire that we're going to have to get to. So I do think that this is going to be possible. We're going to pop this out here, this little plug. That's all it is a little rubber plug. So we're just gonna, I don't know if I can do it and hold this at the same time. Yep. Pop that out, and then this is our screw we're gonna take out that's holding the mirror in. And then I'm gonna attempt to run the wire through and not take this whole door apart. I don't honestly know if this is gonna work or not, but if it does, it's gonna save a lot of time. Okay, you're going to use a 1/2 inch socket for that bolt to get that out. Okay, so before we take the mirror off and we undo the bolt, we're going to get in there and where is it? We're going to pop this right there. We're going to pop that clip. We're going to take a screwdriver, push it down towards the wires, that little edge there, and pop it out. I'm going to try to film me doing this so you can see what I mean. See if I can. It's hard for me to do it through there. This, and then pull it towards you. So I'm going to put the camera now down to do it. That way I don't break this clip. After you get that off, you're going to get this wire grommet here out. Again, you just pop that out. Okay, so I did that, and this is where we're at. And now I'm going to take the mirror off and then pull this out. I am going to snip this with some wires and then get it over this part here. Okay, so one more thing I'm going to do. I'm actually going to put this around here for the sake of just basically using whatever I have. It's a long zip tie. I just want to feed that back through, and hoping that I have enough left to pull that back through when I put the new wires in. It'll just make it easier, kind of like a fish tape. Okay, just so you can see my concept, I took off that rubber part, put this around here. So now I'm going to take the mirror off and pull this through, leaving a little bit so I can then take this end, snip it, put it around the new one, and pull it back through the door. Okay, so the concept did work. Got the plug out here and still have enough, I'm hoping, to pull that back through. So I'm probably going to have to get an extension of that, because I'm going to have to snip that one off. And then going to have to somehow attach that to the new one. This is a 2019 Ford Fiesta rear wiper controller. You push it, no, you pull it towards you, and as you can see, that turns it on. And it just went. Anyway, and then all you do to turn it off is you just simply push that stick back.